Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using PocketGuard to take control of your finances, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to set spending limits, a super handy feature that helps you stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Whether you're trying to cut back on coffee runs or save for that dream vacation, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First, make sure you have the PocketGuard app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It's your hub for all things budgeting. Step 1. Look for the Budgets or Limits tab, usually at the bottom of the screen or in the side menu. Tap on it to open the budgeting options. Step 2. Select Set Spending Limits or a similar option. This is where you can customize limits for different spending categories like groceries, entertainment, or dining out. Step 3. Choose the category you want to limit. For instance, if you're capping your weekly coffee spends, pick dining or food and drink. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to set as your limit, say $50 for the week, and select the time period, like weekly, monthly, or custom. Step 5. Hit Save or Apply to lock in your changes. PocketGuard will now track your spending in real time and send you notifications if you're approaching your limit. One quick tip. Review your limits every month to make sure they align with your goals. This feature isn't just about restrictions, it's about building smarter spending habits and reducing financial stress. There you have it. Setting up spending limits in PocketGuard is straightforward and can make a big difference in your wallet. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it's working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.